Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to break down how to use the picture-in-picture mode on your iPhone. It's super handy for multitasking, so let's get right to it. First things first, we need to enable picture-in-picture in your iPhone settings. Head over to your Settings app, scroll down and tap on General. Then find Picture-in-Picture and tap on that. Make sure the Start Picture-in-Picture automatically toggle is switched on. Okay, now that that's done, you can use picture-in-picture with apps like Apple TV, FaceTime, and more. But if you want to use it with YouTube, there's an extra step. You'll also need YouTube Premium in some regions and enable the setting inside the YouTube app itself. Open the YouTube app, tap on your channel icon in the bottom right corner, and then tap on the settings icon in the top right. In the settings menu, find General and tap on it. Look for Picture-in-Picture, and make sure that toggle is turned on too. Alright, we're ready to roll. To actually use picture-in-picture, just start playing a video in any compatible app, like Apple TV, FaceTime, or YouTube. For this example, I'll be using a YouTube video from Techic, my other channel focused on Windows tutorials. Now, while the video is playing, simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen to go back to the home screen. And bam! The video will pop into picture-in-picture mode. You can drag the little video window to any corner of your screen. If you want to temporarily hide it, just swipe it to the side where you see that little notch. Swipe it back in to bring it back. Keep in mind that the video player might be embedded within the picture-in-picture window, depending on the app. If you want to get rid of picture-in-picture altogether, just tap on the video and it'll take you back to the full-screen video in the app you were using, like YouTube. Also, a quick tip, if you want to listen to a video in the background without picture-in-picture, pause the video before swiping back to the home screen. That way, it won't automatically pop into picture-in-picture mode. And that's it. That's how you use picture-in-picture on your iPhone. I really hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give this video a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. This was based on my own experience, and any links mentioned are in the description below. Thanks for watching.